Beautiful large one bedroom in Briarwood. This is the entrance. On the right is the coat closet. It's the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. It's another closet here. On the left is the kitchen, beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. It's got dishwasher. More cabinets. That's the dining area for the kitchen. It has a window. It's the linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Bedroom, a large bedroom. You can fit a king size bed. It's got two windows, one here, another one here. Also have a two closet, one here, another one here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the express train, the E train and F train, near Main Street and Queens Boulevard. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. And please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.